Today's review is on the 1:43 93 Subaru Legacy RS from Deagostini. This Subaru Legacy comes along with the Rally Car magazine, which is now issue 66. It used to be everywhere, but now it's only on major departmental stores and bookshop. I got this from Kinokuniya Singapore during their 20% sale last 2 days, and I think it's money well spent with their entry level price. The magazine itself is very informative. It has all the info on the Portugal Rally back in 1993, and also the background of Subaru Legacy as well as other rally cars. The downside is the printing quality is very cheap, and the whole magazine is written in Cantonese, which majority do not understand. And now let's remove this Subaru Legacy. Not to mention I threw away the box as well because it's very clumsy, a lot of empty space, and it's a burden while we are shopping. Here are the details on the race and their drivers. In contrast to the quality of the magazine, this Subaru Legacy looks awesome and is fitted with a triangular head screw, which I do not have the screwdriver for it. Hence I use my pliers to unscrew it. Definitely looking very good out of the blister pack and out of the case. Every details of the casting is carefully replicated to mirror the 1:1 Legacy. Yes, I must admit that this model car is not a top-notch quality. It's made of die cast and not resin. It really can't compare with the initial model because of its price point. But at the low price point, this casting is a must for me to get with excellent details. The wheels does spin on this model car and it rolls fast, which is great. There's a lot of details on the interior with roll cage as well, and it looks great. And I can tell that Deagostini really take pride in their product. Every details and the livery on this casting is carefully assembled without any quality control issues, and that's great. The details on the rear is the highlight for me. Everything is carefully replicated as compared with the actual car. And what really amazed me out of all this is the 555 Tobacco logo. You can see the 555 Tobacco logo is plastered all over the car. Although the quality of this Subaru Legacy is not made of high-end material, you can really see the difference while holding the car close up. But I'm very impressed with the whole build and details on this casting. And what's more, it looks like the real thing in 1:43, which will make it look great in photography. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.